Oh, just like I like it. I love Windows so much. I love it. I love it so much. It makes me have that face. I love it. Anyway, this is the start of a video, so I guess it's your video.
Going on my channel?
Nope.
Your channel?
Yeah.
Okay. I bit my cheek.
That's not how you start a video.
What's up, everybody? I'm Riley. Daddy is filming, which is also known as Russ. This is the WGR Research? I don't know how to pronounce your name. RWGresearch.com.
Yep, sure. What the heck are we doing?
I'm gonna print my 3D horse, or a 3D horse.
What is it called?
Jointed 3D horse?
Speak up louder.
Jointed 3D horse.
Okay. I'm making you do it because it's your project.
Yes.
So I downloaded the files.
Uh-huh.
And then, what are we doing now?
I don't know.
She has no idea. We are importing them to the program, which I am using. I'm using Simplified 3D. So you imported them.
Yep.
Now we need to like do something with them.
Yeah.
And go from there. So I'm not going to film all that. Most people know what we're doing. We're going to have to slice them up.
Okay.
Cut them into layers. Position them how we want. And also support them from the places they need supported. It's a lot of figuring out. And I'm going to teach you how to do it right after your cheek quits hurting. So, good luck.
Okay.
How many files are there?
Like 32? I'm not for sure. I think it's like 33.
I think there's like 19, but anyway.
I'm not for sure. I know there's like 33 parts to the horse.
I think there's only like 19 parts that I downloaded, so I don't know where the rest are.
We'll see.
Maybe there's 2 of some.
Maybe.
Like that one says times 4. Times 4.
Oh, right, because there's...
So maybe you're right. Maybe there is 32 parts.
There is 32 parts, but not files, because they
I
have
was wrong.
the same parts.
Got it.
Like the front legs, the back legs, and the hoofs.
Got it. Alright, so that's what we're going to do. I'm going to teach you how to do it. I'm not going to teach you guys how to do it. You can go. I mean, I don't think you care. So, here we go. We'll see when we get it sliced up.
Super looking fast jet.
It's in the side. No, the anti-key carry.
Oh, wow, Daddy, this is a hand launcher.
The anti-carry, Riley. The anti-carry, Riley. The anti-carry.
I don't know what that is. What is it? Oh, my.
I have 3 printers over there. I have the anti-carry, the Delta Rostock, and the RWG OSD CNC laser.
Maybe this.
What is that one?
I don't know.
You're looking for the anti-carry. There is a label on it.
Where?
On the one you're looking for.
This one?
I don't know. Does it say anti-carry?
No, I was going
Does it say ant?
good. It does not say ant.
No, read it. No. Read the printer. Look at the printer.
Oh, ant.
Ta-da! Jeez Louise, Sam. Alright, now that you figured out what the heck the printer is, which you know, you just didn't know, you know. Ridiculously hilarious. Put it in a printer.
Wait, which one?
That one. Put it in there.
You mean the computer?
No, it goes in there. Yep.
Right away?
Yep. Ta-da! Alright, go to prepare to print. This is what we came up with. We made our own supports. And run them through the print real quick. So hit print. We got it on each layer. Just click on the program.
This?
Yes. Hit there.
This one's hard.
Yep. Okay, so this is what we came up with. A lot of support, but we need it for this one for sure.
Because this is like the...
Zoom out a little bit. It's going to go too high. So, there's the horse head.
The first part.
Wee. Zoom out. Zoom out. It's going up pretty high. So, there's your first print. You pretty well did that with my frustration. Ooh, it was a rough time for me. So I was trying to figure some stuff out. It wasn't working. Okay, now you're going to go to the save. Save down there. And we're going to save it on the SD card and then we'll go put it in the printer.
Down here? Code.
Okay, Riley.
Code.
You exported the toolpath to the drive, remember?
This.
Yes, this is the file you exported. Okay? Scroll down a little bit. It's this one. Scroll down a little bit. Keep going.
Here we go.
Down. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. There you go. Let it go now. How many lines of code did you just generate?
Oh. 200. 261,000.
There you go.
568.
That's how many lines of code you just made. That printer's going to print every single one of those lines one at a time. Down at the bottom of the file, it tells you how long it's going to take. How long it's going to take.
I don't see it.
No, it's in the file. Yeah, right there.
Right here?
Well, just read the last 5 lines.
Oh, 1 hour and 42.
Yep. And that's number 1. So how many days is it going to take you to print this part? Oh, you just realized how much work it is to print something. Yeah, can you print me a horse? Sure. Now it's your turn. Riley, can you print me a horse? Dude, that face is devastation! I love it. I actually really love it. Because now you know why I feel the way I feel a lot of the times. When someone says, can you print me something?
Like a rocket.
This is file 1. And we're only printing 1. And that is the time it's going to take.
Why can't we just print all of them at once then?
Doesn't even fit on the build plate. And there's multiples of multiples. And we didn't add those in there yet either. Smile! You're on camera! I love this. I'm so glad I'm filming this because this is just fantastic. She finally realized how much work it is. But when you're done, think about it. How much time did you just spend? Too much, because it took us a while. We had to figure it out. We had to teach you. It will be faster because you're just going to load a part, do the thing, and print and spit it out, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and then you're going to bring it over to the printer and you're going to start to print, right?
Yeah.
And then what are you going to do?
Wait.
Yep, but you don't have to do anything while you wait. So it's a patience game, but you don't have to work for it. The printer works for you. Yeah, you can go do something else while the printer makes your part. But you have to set it up.
When you get home.
Well, we can do a couple more and then you can print them tomorrow if you know what you're doing.
We don't have time for that.
We're going to start this one now.
Yeah.
But then tomorrow we'll do another one. And then we'll do more so you can do it while I'm not here. You can export as many files as you want and you can print them all day long. You just need to know how to start it, how to take it off. I don't need to do that for you. I'm going to teach you. I love your facial expression. I'm so happy I got this on camera. Dude, total heartbreak right there.
Then I don't want to do this. It's going to take forever.
What's wrong with you?
It's going to take forever.
What is wrong with you? We spent all this time, we went through the whole thing, and now you're just going to give up because it's going to take too long? That's called impatience, and that is ridiculous. I'm not accepting it.
It's going to take like an entire week or 2.
Welcome
Just to get like
the world of 3D printing.
Done.
Think about when we print that 12-foot wing. It's going to take a month. It won't take that long, I promise. We just get it going. You'll be fine. Okay, let's go stick it on the printer.
We'll just take that out?
Yeah, you just take it out. No, you gotta push it in. It's too late now.
Okay. The part.
Hey, Riley.
Yes.
I farted. What are you doing?
Waiting for my print to be done.
You were editing a second ago.
Yeah.
We're gonna see those airplane videos sometime soon.
Yes.
Excellent. Ooh, that smells like
Good thing I can't
dirty
smell it.
feet. Have some. What's it smell? What's it smell like?
Mint. Go.
No.
That's my go.
Anyway, he's like, I'm backing up. Okay, what are we doing? We're making a piece of our video. Show me.
My rookie part.
There you go. How many you got left? How many is that and how many you got left?
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 hearts.
And there's a bunch of duals. Did you been printing out the duals?
What are duals?
When it said ×2 on the part name? We didn't get any there yet, but when you get to that point, we have to multiply those. Put 2 of the same parts. Remember the one that had like times 2? Because there's only 20. It's like 19 parts. You said there's 30 parts or something.
There's 33 parts total.
Yeah. So don't forget when you open one like that. Don't forget the.
I know.
And you just duplicate it. I'll show you. So there's your parts. And she's an expert now. She just comes over here and uses my computer, exports files, imports files, saves files, and then throws it over here on the printer and just prints it off.
I'm printing my piece for my leg, and then I think the hoofs are next. Like
Okay.
the tiny little hoofs.
Cool. I'm excited to see this thing done. Show me the head. No, we didn't film it yet. For everyone wondering, you guys keep asking me about everything I'm doing. You can see the work scattered around the shop right now. I won't show you much, but yeah, there's a whole circuit board living, flashing, and dinging over there. Show it to me.
See?
Nice. So show me the back. So this one has like a hook in it.
So you just put this thread or whatever we're gonna use. It says something in there.
Oh yeah, we forgot to get some. I think I have some stretchy stuff.
Yeah. You put it through and then you just loop it so that way you don't have to tie it. Well,
Okay.
you will be tying it on one of these other parts.
Like here's another loop.
Yeah. And another loop.
And that one you fixed with your pen. You can sand it down
Yeah.
or whatever. And then these like fit together like joints.
I'm gonna get one of the pieces.
So they go through the holes. Like that hole and that hole is together. And then that goes in there. And then you tie the legs together, right? And they hold the whole legs on
Yeah,
with like
I can't go any further than that.
stretchy, whatever.
If I put it out of the gear, then I can just go everywhere. But
Yeah.
it's supposed to be in the gear.
So these have like holes. Like here's a leg.
Yeah, that part I just.
Show me the butt. Put the butt together. It's hilarious.
It's hilarious. It literally has butt muscles.
Show it to me. Show it. This thing's gonna be pretty cool. So you can move it around, but it uses elastic to hold it together. That's pretty cool. I'm excited to see
Yeah.
when this comes out.
Yeah, lots of parts done.
Nice.
I'm just excited to put it together.
Yeah, I want to see you do it. All right, well, see you in another couple of weeks. Your facial expression when you figured out that it was going to take you like weeks, dude, it was great. So now how do you feel about it after you've...
Much better. I actually enjoy doing the editing for it.
The slicing. Yeah, it's fun, isn't it? You put it in there, you get to think about how you want to do it. These are all already placed, but sometimes you have to change the way you want it to print. In this case, we're just doing it the way they have them because that's the way they have them.
Have them.
Yeah, but that's even more fun. It's more of a challenge to try to put it in
Figure out
right.
how to-
And then when you figure all that out, it's a really fun task to design something for that reason. So like you got to watch your angles and you got to like it's really fun. I actually enjoy it. So
Yeah.
anyway, all right. Oh my gosh, you lost your butt.
It's a leg.
Oh my gosh.
A butt.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to put together my horse. These legs are kind of confusing.
Oh my Lanta. This looks like a disaster. Would you be mad if I just like did this? How does this make you feel inside? Does this make you feel okay?
No.
Let's go figure out your other printer and then you can come back because you don't have you're missing parts anyway.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you are. You said you printed it wrong.
I'm missing the inside of the feet.
Exactly.
That's it. And the
Oh,
standard.
sorry. Let me put that back for you.
It's a weird leg.
Isn't it like this?
No.
I was close.
No, you were. This is some
Come out to the garage. Come do it out there.
weird legs.
Let's figure out what you printed parts didn't work out. That is pretty cool though. Like, look at that. And the top moves.
Mhm.
And we're supposed to you are supposed to put a stretchy thing through there,
Yeah,
right?
it's gonna be tricky. They said to get like fishing wire, like put a like loop it, put it through, put this thread through it so that way you can pull it through.
Cool.
Because it might be a little hard to.
I have some of that like stuff you use for bracelets.
Yeah, that's what I thought. I'm
think
not
we
for
should
sure
try
what
that.
they use. I don't know if they use stretchy string or not stretchy string. I really have no clue.
By the way, how long did this take you?
This part?
Just the whole thing?
I don't know.
Well,
Oh, it's been 4 days now.
oh, look at that. Less than a week. I figured it'd take a good at least 1 week, but you got it knocked out.
No, I would have gotten all the parts done, but the printer stopped working, so.
A couple times. Well, you did good. Nice work.
I just gotta print the
Let's go
inside
get your
feet.
last part, and then I want to see you put it together. I will time lapse you putting it
plus
together.
yeah, and plus the standard part, which you like if you want to make them like jumping or something.
I'll
You
probably take a piece of wood.
what?
Sorry, go on.
Just use a piece of plastic.
I know. Why you waste the plastic though? You just drill a hole.
I'm making it.
Oh,
like a
right.
plastic.
You just drill a hole in a piece of wood and make it look nice, and then put a stick in it. But you know, okay.
Well, then how is it supposed to?
See what I'm saying? I'm trying to save
I'm
you.
gonna print it.
Okay. I was trying to save you plastic. That's all. Oh my Lanta, it's leaking. Alright, let's go see what you did or what I need to fix. Watch it, Sonny. Oh, did you get my little mess that I made for you fixed up, I see?
Yeah.
Excellent.
And with my thingy.
Where's the bottom? Oh, I need to get them all for you.
Yeah, I have to print those too.
So technically, this is the last part of the horse, and she can't get it off the print bed.
No.
Let's see if I can get it. Oh, there's one. So there's the last part. See what fits.
Moment of truth.
See if it fits in that hole, because we might have to make it smaller. Print, reprint, try again.
Yeah, but
Way
this is
too
an
big.
oval, and that is a circle.
It's way too big, actually. Yeah, that's the wrong one then.
What do you mean?
The front are ovals. We measured the front. The front. The front. The front.
This.
The front. The front.
This.
The front. The front. The front. We measured the front.
Oh, no, the front are circles, Daddy.
You gave me one that was oblong. It wasn't circles.
All of these are circles, sweetheart.
I think we just need to trim them with a knife. They're just too flat. We'll try that first.
Okay.
And then we'll print them smaller. Yay!
Wait, so it only took 12 minutes.
She's still impatient, even though you waited a week. Bunny! What you doing?
Making this horse.
Let's see. So I have a question.
Yes.
Can you write it?
No.
Why?
It's too small.
What happens if you sit on it? Oh my gosh! Alright, this is pretty cool. So, we used this stretchy string stuff. It was a it's a flying horse. It wasn't the greatest use of stuff, but we made it work. And then we're supposed to print these little things. The scaled, no. So we just used beads on the bottom, and then you can put little caps on here if you want. I think that leg's still loose. I think we need to fix it.
Which one?
That one. We can tighten it. We just have to.
They're all like that.
Oh, okay. So is it good?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Glue its
And all
tail
this
on.
stuff moves. It's pretty neat. It moves like this. You can really make it nice and fun. I need to sand all that a little bit, but.
Yeah.
And then his tail. I got a surprise for you. Was it that horse just poop on you because you put its tail on?
No.
Oh, who was that then?
You.
Oh, sorry about that.
Too bad I can't make him sit when I have this tail on. It's a bummer.
Just flip it upside down. Just don't glue it in. Just leave it hanging instead. Because they're telling you to glue it in, aren't they? That's going to break off. That's why you have the stand, because you're supposed to be above the ground.
Yeah.
The tail's supposed to be really long. You know, we could scale the tail down.
No.
Just make it
I want it to stay in, but I want it to be able to move like
Yeah.
this.
Well, it's not supposed to move.
I know, but I want it to.
Yeah. Well, it's not supposed to. So if you
It'll
want
make it.
if you want it to move, you have to engineer it to move. That's pretty cool.
Can you just like?
Throw it away? Yeah, I can throw it away.
No.
Watch it.
No.
There you go. We already glued it together because this little thing broke off. That little bitty nub broke off.
I
It was
just dropped
terrible.
it on the carpet.
Oh, is that what happened?
Yeah.
Oh, so it's your fault. You didn't tell me that.
Yes.
Either way, we glued it back on.
Do we just leave the tail?
No, you can still put it on. This is supposed to be on that stand. And so it'll be up in the air like this.
Yes,
So the tail won't ever hit the ground. That's the point. I mean, it's not hitting now, but really we just need to make it a little tighter fit so it stays, you know, like pressure.
So like I can still, like, it stays in, but like I can move it?
Yeah. We could make that snap fit piece if we really tried, you know.
Snap fit piece?
Yeah, like a little plastic snap fit, like we do on airplanes or parts or weird things to snap on and stay on, you know. Pressure fit. Do something like that. Some detailed
Muscle
structure.
ring.
Yeah, it's really cool. A little bottom on there. Can't really see it too much, huh? Yeah, I don't think it's supposed to be like very strong because it's designed to be floating in space. So, good job. You finally kind of sort of did it. It's really cool.
It's not what I expected though.
It is different than what I expected too, but it's pretty cool though. It's actually really neat. You made that whole thing. You've been wanting to 3D print a horse for years, and I just kept telling you it was a lot of work. And now you know how much.
Kind of horse.
I know, but now you know how much work it was to at least do something like that. It was it's a lot going on, but you did it. All right, I'll let you make the stand, and then we'll be good. What you doing?
Working on my horse, or fidgeting with my horse.
Are you
I guess that's the word.
fidgeting with your horse?
Yeah, I'm just trying to figure out what poses I should put in.
Poses?
Mm-hmm.
Like, okay. So, this is, oh, his tail, he's got his tail.
Yeah.
So what is this, what is your, yeah, we had footage of you basically so disappointed that you weren't even going to finish this thing.
One night.
And now, you literally know how to put a file in, slice it up, put it on the printer, get the printer fired up, well, I don't know if I showed you exactly how to put the plastic in, but yeah, we kind of did it together, and then you know how to do some settings, you know how to do all kinds of stuff. So you basically learned how to do 3D printing with this project. Mm-hmm. And how was it?
It was an experience.
An experience.
Yeah.
Is it good or bad?
It was good, and yeah.
Yeah, and my point was that now you have a new tool in your tool bag for your creative space where you can come out here and print something if you think you want to make something. So, that's cool. And when I want you to print me something, you can do it also, which is even cooler. Teach a man to fish and he'll feed you fish. So, teach Riley to print and Riley will print you things. Anyway, so yeah, so you painted it a little bit?
Yeah, I painted the hair, eyes, nose, ears, and hoofs.
Okay.
I didn't have any silver because it takes a special paint that doesn't really scratch off.
Okay.
We didn't have any silver, so I just used white.
Okay. So do you like this thing? Are you like good, bad, ugly? What's the...
The only thing I don't like about it is it's not built in because the loop in the inside is like
for that
this,
one...
for that one string.
Yeah.
So it kind of goes off to the side and makes it turn. But if it was facing in and the other one was facing in, then you could just have it and it wouldn't move around. I mean,
Okay.
this one is facing in, like this way.
Yeah. And it's facing the wrong way, yeah. So the string pulls it to the one on the left or the right. We could probably put another one in there on the other side or something.
Yeah. You just gotta kind of...
Sit it right.
Yeah.
So this is really designed to make poses with, and you can do cool stuff with
I
them
use
there.
it to draw
Yeah,
my horses
right.
because sometimes I have difficulties most around the legs and stuff.
Right. So, you painted it.
Uh-huh.
How did that go? What kind of paint did you use?
It was Malachi's old paint from his birthday. I mean, I don't think it scratches off very well.
Oh, snap, son. Oh, snap, son. So you're telling me basically you can draw pictures with the horse doing ballet.
Yeah.
You used acrylic paint, right? That worked on there? PLA is plastic we used.
Yeah, acrylic paint. I think it was like a special kind of paint.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't think it scratches off.
Oh, he snapped his neck. Jeez, there's fishes.
Yeah. I mean, if you like grab this certain piece like on his neck, you can actually make him look up, and you can just turn it like right here.
Oh, and his tail. So that's the bad design on the tail thing.
Yeah,
because even if you glued it in, it'd break it off.
just
So
breaks
yeah, so we're gonna put a piece of metal in there and we'll figure it out.
something.
Yeah. So we didn't do that, but
I don't like it just facing down because if you want to make him like jump and stuff and like have his feet back, his
tail's hanging down.
So
we need to make a joint on it.
To make it go like this.
Something, yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Because you could stick it in right here. You can
we can do that.
Hard, and then you can like actually make it move.
Yeah, we'll figure something out.
That would be even better because my vision was just this, so that way I can at least move it, make it sit.
Yeah.
Like lay down. Like,
why you gotta touch his butt like that? Jeez.
This is butt.
You're so like weird. All right. Well, I wanted to finish this video to get this out to the peeps because this is a video I wanted to make for the weekend. So now I got at least. I don't know if I'll get it done because my dad's here, but he came and visited. Surprised me. So we'll go say hi. The movie's on. Probably won't be able to see, but there's Bernie. Hi, Bernie.
That's our great uncle.
Your dad's not there. We'll find him. I'll show you guys. Anyway, peace and love. Any last words on this project?
It was fun.
Yeah, I'm glad you finished it instead of giving up. Because you literally, you were toast, man. I was
It
like...
only took me like...
I laughed.
Like
You did like 4
like
or 5 days.
5 days.
Yeah, and you even learned in that process. So, I mean, you struggled through some bad start prints and bed problems and...
work, so
yeah, all kinds of things.
Figured out something.
Yeah, we learned a lot, so that was good. So, thanks for watching. God bless. Read the Bible more, and peace out. Boom. Bye. You're hilarious.